Hey Posh YouTube, it's Nicole here, coming to you bright and early from cold Michigan. Oh my god, it's been so cool, it's not even funny. Anyways, I have a quick announcement for you. I'm sitting here with my coffee and I wanted to let you all in on a little secret I have been keeping. I am rebranding my Posh business. So you will see a name change here on YouTube. You'll see a name change on my Facebook business page and my VIP page. So the plan with this is Posh is not leaving. The plan with this is I would like to start introducing some other things, some other ways I like to pamper, invite you all to share things that you enjoy and you like to do and what makes you happy and feel good, and just share some of my experiences and what I like to do. I really enjoy makeup, even though I'm not wearing any right now. I know it kind of defeats the purpose. But I go to Ulta a lot. I'd love to video and share my Ulta hauls with you and those types of things. So I am expanding, I guess you could say. I'm not entering another business venture or anything like that. Don't have time for that. But I just wanted to share with you some other things that I do outside of Posh. So that's what this whole thing is about, and I will be announcing the whole change on February 26th, which is my Posh anniversary. It will be my 2-year mark with Posh, and I will be announcing my new name and all that exciting stuff on that day. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you around. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see all my new stuff when it comes out, all my new Posh stuff. I have a lot of ideas, and I'll see you around.